as usual.
Look at that.
Good morning.
Good exercise. You can play with Sadie and have her.
I'm trying to get her to go in circles.
Can I ask you a question? Is it cool
What?
here to you?
Yes, Channel 11 is about to go away. I said like tomorrow.
What?
With DirecTV. What stations are we gonna lose? Is that like all my Grey's Anatomy?
It said we might not be able to watch it. It said
Don't fix
there's
it.
a
They can't do this.
No, as of tomorrow. No, I got.
I understand
it.
they'll eventually fix it.
Eventually, what? After I miss. Like,
We'll lose like
None of your shows
Revolution
are
and
on
all
there.
that.
Sunday Night Football's
Revolution.
In the office.
Is Revolution's done for a couple weeks. What about Grey's Anatomy and all that?
That's on like
it's
channel
ABC.
2.
If everybody keeps talking, it can drive me crazy.
I'm sorry, I'm busy.
I know you guys are driving like dog crazy, and you think it's so funny. And it's funny.
It is.
I mean, it's such a. I mean, you can play with Sadie and you barely have to move. You just sit there and just go.
Where'd you go?
If you shine it on like mom, if you shine it on Garrett, she'll just stare at it. She won't do anything.
Yeah.
I tried shining it on Harry's head, like right on his forehead, but
She just if you put it if you put.
she just stands there and looks at it.
Yeah, if you put the light on a person, then that.
She just stands there and looks at it.
Oh, where did he go? Where is he? Where did he go? Oh. Yeah, I think she just sees something moving around.
Her hunting, what thing yes came in.
Is that your hunting instinct, Sadie? You a hunter? Are you a predator? Yes, she put it somewhere. Uh-oh.